So in this video, it's a tutorial for all the new people that clicked on this video to watch this tutorial to learn how to beat Zion and that other guy. I'm gonna show you how to beat this guy with any position, like any center or shooting guard, point guard. It's not difficult. Honestly, this is the easiest thing you can do in the game. This is easy. Now, without further ado, we're gonna get into this game. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so first, you see that black ass dude over there? We gonna call him, right? We gonna tell him to set the screen. Like, wait for Zion to come over here. Then you press the button, give it the cops. Bam! He does his thing. Don't fuck up. Okay, that's all I can say. Is don't fuck up. This little dude is actually pretty good. I'm gonna be honest. I fucked up. Oh my god!
Fuck out of here with that shit.
Okay.
The AI is shitting on me. It's not fun. Oh shit! What? I didn't even do it. Cobbs will bring you to the victory. Let him get all the points. Watch it, Zion, dumbass. Give it to him. Bam! Just like that. Just like that. Call in the pick and then let go of the. I don't even know how many points you have to go to. But the point is,
Expose him!
the point.
Expose him!
Bam! Give it to him. Bam! Like, stops guarding him. Like y'all see. Look. Wait, that's game! Look at we just did it! Okay, y'all, that's how y'all beat Zion and the dude with the receded hairline. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's go!